Hey everybody, welcome to Audio Advice Live 2026. My name is Angelo. I work with AudioQuest, and we are showcasing some amazing things here at the show this year. The product that we are most excited about, and the product that a lot of the folks coming into the show are excited about, is our DragonFly Copper. Our DragonFly Copper is the new portable DAC from us here at AudioQuest. It is a new generation that stems all the way back to the original DragonFly Black, and now with our DragonFly Copper, we are able to introduce really unique things like a really awesome processing chip on the inside that helps us uncompress those digital files back to CD quality. Also, we are going to get our DragonFly adapter here that we can plug into our phone as well, so that we can change it over to a USB-C, and that's our DragonTail. And this is just a phenomenal product. Retail is $250. We're also giving away folks that attend the show here and enter to win a DragonFly Copper this weekend. So please join us at Audio Advice Live in 2026 in room 1419. For more information, please go to www.audioquest.com and give us a search. I appreciate you. Hope to see you soon.